Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a show and tell on seasons. So let's begin. What are seasons? Seasons are the division of the year in different weather conditions. The major cause of seasons is the revolution of Earth around the Sun and the tilt of Earth. Major types of seasons. The major types of season are summer, winter, autumn and spring. Summer. Summer season is the hottest of all seasons. It occurs between June and August. It usually has long days and short nights. We wear cotton clothes to stay cool in the summer. Mango, watermelon, lychees, etc. are some fruits eaten in the summer. We like to visit beaches in the summer and eat ice cream. Winter. Winter is the coldest of all seasons. It occurs between December to March. The days are short and nights are long. Some places experience snow in the winter. We wear woolen clothes in the winter to stay warm. Grapes, kiwi, strawberry are some fruits eaten in the winter. Christmas is our favorite festival that we celebrate in the winter. Autumn. The weather of autumn is moderate. It occurs between September to December. It has equal days and nights. The weather is usually windy and the leaves of the trees dry out and fall. Most animals start collecting food in autumn for winters. Halloween is a festival that occurs in autumn. Spring. It has a pleasant weather. It occurs between March and June. It also has equal days and night. Many beautiful flowers grow in spring. This is the season in which animals come out of their hibernation. Easter is a festival celebrated in spring. Monsoon. Other than these seasons, there is another season called the rainy or monsoon season. It is a season with lot of rain. It is wet and humid. We even sometimes see a rainbow in rainy seasons. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in another video.